When I made my first BTC Coin video last weekend, I mentioned that I was receiving a lot more Satoshis than I expected. And how I found this out is I took a screenshot every day at about 7 in the morning for 3 days straight. And I'll just show you what it was. So you can see it's 1485, the next day was 1783, and the next day it was 2081. So it was actually closer to about 300 a day that I was receiving. I had 150 sats and referral code rewards, so to play it safe, I actually said I was making 260 a day. But I thought being conservative and saying it was a little lower than it could have been was the right idea. I wouldn't want to overshoot it, right? Well, unfortunately, after that video came out, I had some members of my community let me know that they weren't receiving the same rewards that I was. So at this point, I have to say, do not invest into BTC Coin and just use it to watch free ads and get some sats that way if you think that's worth your time. When I do make my monthly account update, I'll have the accurate stats for you. I'll have somebody run the ads and see what that gets them with 10, and I'll be able to do the math with that. But honestly, that account update will probably be my final thoughts for the app because I don't want to mislead people into thinking they're going to make more than they are. Just because my account's a ton apparently doesn't mean everybody else's will. But it does pay out, there's no fees, and the withdrawal rate is pretty low. But in my opinion, this is a mid-tier app at best. So yeah, obviously I can only go over the stats that I can go over, but this will probably be the last Bloom Bitcoin mining app clone that I go over. But I wanted to get this video out as soon as I can to make sure nobody else invests into this app. It's just not worth it in my opinion. And if you like these kind of update videos with transparency, please like and subscribe. I'm always on the lookout for other cloud mining apps and platforms and try to share them with you with as much detail as possible. And I obviously update you all when any data or statistics change. There is a new cloud mining platform that I'm actually working with the developers and the marketing team with, so look for that video coming out real soon. It's going to be the best one yet in my opinion. And as always, I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.